Okay, beautiful beings. I just wanted to give you a quick tip. Take some Mod Podge, and these are silver dollars, I believe. The closest thing I could find when I looked them up, and just take it and put them on here because they look like they're real. They're on a stick, and it looks real to me. So looks like they dried them, but over time they get really fragile. So you want to put Mod Podge on them. And you can put them in your vases or use them for your crafts, for little embellishments or whatever you want to use them for, because they crumble over time. So I'm applying some Mod Podge to them. Okay? And I'm making sure I'm putting quite a bit down. And I got this on shiny paper that don't stick, so be aware of that if you get paper, because it will stick to copy paper, regular paper. So just be aware. So if you have something shiny with a shiny surface, so it don't stick to it. And then this is why I'm showing you, because I was trying to break some off. This one I just broke off, and it broke off fine. And this one, but before I put the Mod Podge on, they were crumbling like this, okay? They were breaking. But now that the Mod Podge is on, you just get close. And if you want to keep them on the stem, make sure you glue them to the stem too. Okay, get that Mod Podge in there. But now that I have Mod Podge on this, look, it didn't crumble. It came right off, see? So I just wanted to show you that. See if there's another one I break off for you that I don't want on here. I kind of want them all. This one's dry. But see, it broke off, and then you just take this off. But make sure you wait till they dry, and it didn't crumble. So that's how you keep your silver dollars from crumbling when you break them off. Okay. Have a wonderful everything.